Alright, good day class. My name is Mohamed Makruma. Let's continue with this process, okay? Today we are going to look at what? Logarithms. Because logarithm, when we try to explain this concept to students, especially when it has to do with what? When you solve log that's leading to quadratic equation. And so many students, they can't solve quadratic equation. So mind you, just have the time, listen to my tutorial, then it will help you, okay? So let's see. Let me solve a problem which lead you up to quadratic equation, okay? Now let's see. Let's say example. 1, if I say log base 10 into what? Let's say x square. X square minus, let's say 4x plus, let's say 103 all equal to 2. Let's say 2, right? Just trying guys for you to understand the concept. So log base 10 into x square minus 4x plus 103 equal to 2. So let's try to solve. Now say solution. Log base 10 into x square minus 4x plus 103 close the brackets equal to 2. What we need to take into consideration when we solve logarithm, that we expect we need to involve what? Quadratic equation. That's why you need to understand how to solve quadratic equation, because quadratic equation, when you try to solve certain problems, at times at the end of the day it will lead you to quadratic equation. So if you don't know how to solve quadratic, you can't proceed further, okay? So now we have on the left hand side we have what? Log base 10. On the right hand side we have what? Just 2. But see what we're supposed to do for us to make life easy and comfortable. Now we say log 10 into x square minus 4x plus 103 equal to 2. Now because here we have what? Log 10 on the left hand side, that is log base 10 on the left hand side. On the right hand side we have what? 2. So since the base here is 10, we are now going to say log 10 and log 2 log 10 to the base 10. Okay? 2 log 10 to the base 10. If here is what? Log base 3, here supposed to be 2 log what? 3 base 3. If here is what? Log base 2, you are supposed to be what? 2 log 2 base 2. If here is what? Base 20, let me say so. You are supposed to be also 2 log 20 base 20. I hope that is how the concept is supposed to look like. So if that be the case, let's solve this problem and see. This is now equal to log base 10 into x square minus 4x plus 103 all equal to, this two now become the power of what? 10. That is to say log 10 base 10. This will now become a power of this 10. That is 10 raised to the power. We see now the base are now the same. So we cancel, right? It remains square minus 4x plus 103 equal to 10 raised to the power what? 2 on the right hand side after eliminating what? The log. It means 10 raised to the power 2. Guys, ask question, okay? So from this, let's proceed further. Now, this is now equal to x square minus 4x plus 103 is now equal to 10 raised to the power 2 simply means 100. Okay? 100. Now, here in this case, let's try to transpose this 100 on the left hand side. So this is now equal to x raised to the power 2 minus 4x plus 103. This is positive. When it transposes, become what? Negative 100. All equal to what? 0. Yes. So from this point, we proceed further. X square minus 4x. Now we subtract 103 minus 100. We have what? Plus 3. It's now equal to what? 0. Now we see what? Solve quadratic. Quadratic what? Equation. Right? So my x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, please, you need to pay attention because I'm going to make it, audible to the deaf, then visible to the blind. So just pay attention and see how you are going to understand the concepts. Right? Now, this minus 4x, we call it what? The sum. This plus 3 here is what? The product. So our aim and objective here is we are going to find factors. These factors, either we add or subtract, we are going to have what? Minus 4. These same factors, when we multiply them together, we're supposed to have what? Plus 3. That is our aim. So let's solve and see. Now, either we use the sum and the product rule, we use what? The quadratic formula, we use try and error method, or completing what? The square method. But for you not to be, let me say, in a difficult situation, let's use the sum and the product rule, right? So now, what number are we to add or subtract at the end of the day for us to have what? Minus 4. Let's say, very simple and straightforward, when we say minus 1, minus 3, it's supposed to be what? Minus 4. So automatically we have what? Minus 4. Then the same thing, when we say minus 1 times this negative 3 here, minus times minus supposed to be what? Plus. Then 1 times 3 is just 3. So we have what? Plus 3. So these are the factors. Okay? So let's proceed further. Now we know the factors. Let's say the factors are minus 1 and what? Minus 3. From this point, we say x square. Now we are going to consider these factors because we have already split this sum into what? Minus 1 and what? Minus 3. But this one, we are not going to indicate this one as it is because this guy has what? A coefficient. So therefore, instead of minus 1, it's going to be what? Minus x. Okay? Then from there we have what? Negative 3x. Instead of 3, it's going to be what? 3x plus 3. All equal to 0. Alright. X square minus x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. We are now going to group them. Listen to this. Now let's find the common factors, right? When we look at these brackets, what is common inside these brackets? What is common inside these brackets? Let's see. X is common because we have x here, then also x here. So if x is common, when we take x outside, x into x square is just what? X. Now minus x into x is just 1. Close the brackets. Minus. What is common inside these brackets? Is what? 3. Because we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So if 3 into 3x is just what? X. Minus times plus is just minus. 3 into 3 is just 1. Close the brackets, all equal to what? 0. So at this junction, you will be able to understand that you are in the correct aspect. Okay? Because when you look at the two brackets, x minus 1, x minus 1, automatically you know that yes, you are correct. So let's proceed further. Now, let's see. We are going to take one bracket here. That is to say x minus 1. Here is x minus 1. Here is x minus 1. So we only need to take 1. Then we collect the outside numbers that are common inside these brackets. We open. We now see what? X minus 3. Right? All equal to 0. So if you are asked to factorize, we stop here. But since we have already equalized it to 0, that tells you that we need to find the value of x. So let's proceed further. We now say either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So from this point, we proceed further. X minus 1 equal to 0. When this negative 1 transpose, become what? Positive. So therefore, x is now equal to, when this negative transpose, become what? Positive. So x is equal to 1. Or, this is what? X minus 3. When this negative 3 transpose, become what? Negative, so it's going to be what? Positive 3, that is plus 3. So these are the factors. You see from this point onto this point, this is what we are required to present. So if that be the case, this is how best I can be able to deliver if you guys ask me to help you solving logarithms. This is the concept. But as time goes on, I'm going to do more, right? Because of time. Okay? Time is very important. Although a minute to a time is not yet time. Time to a minute is not yet time until the work of the day accomplished. Because I've already decided to help you guys. So I need to give you time, okay? So let's see. Now you can ask me if you don't understand, just let me know at the comment section, okay? make sure you press the red button, subscribe, like and share. Okay, all right, you can join me to the next video. All right.